What's up everyone, and welcome back to yet another video of Me's Lifestyle. And this is Kshitij Bhatnagar again, and we're gonna talk about my sweatshirt first because I think I'm gaining weight. I think maybe my shoulders are getting a little more, I'm kind of doing maybe probably a little bit of workout lately, so that's what's happening. Also, yeah, I know new cup, but that's not a new cup, that's kind of a very special cup. So I was talking about, we're gonna talk about today is welcome back to yet another thought of the day series. And the thought of the day for today is control is just an illusion. And why am I saying this? Because if you think that there is anything in your life that's happening right now is under your control, let me break it to you, you're totally wrong. You're totally wrong about it. There is nothing in your life that is under your control, that is working as per your control, as per your moves, as per what you are doing, except for the part where karma comes into the picture. That's your doing, that's totally your doing, that is controlled by you, obviously. apart from that control is totally an illusion. If you think that all you can do is plan for everything. Plan, like, why am I saying this again? Be ready for whatever may come. All you can do, okay, so let's take an example of an entrance exam, maybe like IITs. So if that would have been under your control, you would have gotten into one, right? So that's not your control. What is in your control is how you're gonna work towards it, how you're gonna do it, how you're gonna prepare yourself for every situations that you might face tomorrow, that you might face today, that you might face in your upcoming life. That is what is up to you, preparing for the problem and not the problem, and not your future. Getting a BMW car is not under your control. It's not that if you wish today, yeah, you can buy it. If you can, you're probably very rich. So, and if you don't, and if you have some dream car that you want to buy, and it's not under your control. What's under your control is how you're gonna work for it, how you're gonna work your bumps off to own that car, to own that dream car that you wished for all your life. So that's under your control. The problems which you're gonna face are not under the conclusion is not under your control. What I mean here is that the conclusion of anything that you're doing is not under your control. The result, the consequences are not under your control. What's under your control is how you're gonna plan for it, how you're gonna work through it, and how you're gonna prepare for it. So that is what's under your control. So if now that the CAT is coming, so the result of the CAT exam is not under your control. What's under your control is how you're gonna prepare for it. How you're gonna be prepared for every question, every part of that exam. That's under your control. You may be prepared very well for it, but again the exam may turn out even more difficult than you ever thought. So that's not under your control, but you were still prepared for it. You were prepared at your personal best level. That is what matters actually. You have to do your best and leave the consequences, just be it, because those are not under your control. What's under your control is what you do. So yeah, thought of the day today. Control is just an illusion. Stop thinking that you have control over anything. You actually don't. All you have control over is how you're doing every day. How you're performing, how you're working on yourself, how you're behaving. So that is what's under your control. With that said, I'll leave you with that thought today. I'm gonna leave you, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, make sure, be sure that you're working your best and not worrying about the results. See ya. I don't think I combed my hair well today. I'm really sorry for that.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting.